Alright, welcome back. We have been looking at factoring trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Today we are going to do a little bit more with that. This time, let's factor a trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, but a now is not equal to 0. This process will always work, as I shared with you earlier. This will always work. So let's go here. Here we have a polynomial, a trinomial, 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. Let's first identify the values of a, b, and c. Be reminded, a is the coefficient of the quadratic term. A is the number in front of x squared. B is the coefficient of the linear term. B here is 9. C is our constant. Alright, and once again we're going to use the AC method. A times C, where A here is 2 and C here is 10. So A times C gives us 20. 20 becomes our target number. So let's go with that. Let's do what we did before. Let's look at factors of this number. Here we have factors of the 20. Alright, so we have the 1 and 20, negative 1, negative 20, 2 and 10, negative 2, negative 10, 4 and 5, and negative 4, negative 5. In the right column, we deal with the sum of the factors. So let's add those up. We deal with the sum of those factors. So, the idea then, or the question that comes up, which pair of factors adds up to give us the value of b? B is 9. The two factors that add to give us that are the 4 and the 5. So we're going to replace b using 4 and the 5. So let us do that then. Here was our original problem. We had the 2x squared plus 9x plus 10. We said we was going to replace b using the 4 and 5. Notice the 4 and 5 have x's with them. Therefore, this will have x's with them. These two should have the x's. Now we factor by grouping. We group the first two together. And then we'll group the last two together. Alright. Looking at the first two, let's see what they have in common. The greatest common factor for 2 and 4 is 2. The greatest common factor for x squared and x is just x. Alright, so let's continue. 2x squared divided by 2x gives us x. 4x divided by the 2x gives us 2. Likewise, over here, the greatest common factor for the 5x and the 10 is 5. Now we divide each of those by the 5. 5x divided by 5 is x. 10 divided by 5 gives us the 2. Now we write what's common. In this case, x plus 2 becomes a common factor. It is the greatest common factor for these two terms. And if we divide the first term by x plus 2, you're left with 2x. If you divide the second term by x plus 2, you're left with 5. Hence, 2x squared plus 9x plus 10 can be written in factored form as x plus 2 times 2x plus 5. We can always check the validity of our answer or the accuracy of our answer based on multiplying. X times each of those, then the 2 times each of those. And if we do that, we should get up here. X times the 2x is the 2x squared, x times the 5 is the 5x, 2 times the 2x is the 4x, and 2 times the 5 is the 10. That will give us where we started. Thank you very much. Let's do some more.